As a seasoned landlord, property investor, and owning and running a lettings and management agency, the one thing that I look out for the most in prospective tenants is the attitude, specifically whether or not they respect you and what you do. And the reason for this being that, when things go wrong, and they will, you want to be in a position whereby you can help them as quickly and as effectively as possible. Anybody can pass an affordability test, that's really straightforward, but it's the attitude towards you that counts. Now, a quick tip to sort of get an idea of what a prospective tenant is like is during your initial engagement with them to always try to sprinkle in some difficult questions and see how they respond. Are they being helpful? Are they acting entitled, or are they being really cooperative and being really respectful? Anyway, what do you think? Is that the right thing to do or not? Yeah, click and follow. See you.